Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a deep dive review of Optimizely, focusing purely on what they officially claim on their website about their CMS and web experimentation tools. With 2026 being a huge year for AI integration, I wanted to see if their platform is the secret weapon for developers and e-commerce teams trying to optimize conversion rates. Let's break down the pros and cons. Analyzing the content directly from Optimizely's site, they position themselves as the world's leading AI-powered digital experience platform, and for good reason. The platform is heavily focused on what they call commerce with a clever twist. They specifically aim to turn your storefront into a conversion engine by using AI for smarter product search and recommendations. For developers, this is a major positive because they promise tools that help you work faster without slowing down innovation. They highlight flexible APIs, headless options, and a focus on .NET Core, which is a huge win for teams already in the Microsoft ecosystem. On the experimentation side, they go beyond simple A/B testing to offer feature and server-side testing, allowing you to roll out features to specific audiences before a full launch. The integration between the CMS and experimentation is another key positive. The site emphasizes that you can personalize and experiment without needing to be a coding wizard. But strictly looking at the official website, the negatives become clear when you consider accessibility and transparency. Optimizely doesn't list actual dollar amounts, but instead structures everything around 4 main products, each with a request pricing button, which confirms that this is an enterprise-focused platform where you have to speak with sales to get a quote. The content marketing platform focuses on planning, asset management, and team collaboration with integrated calendars and workflow tools. The content management system is built for powering dynamic websites with flexible authoring, robust APIs, headless options, and .NET Core delivery. For testing, they split into web experimentation, which covers A/B testing, a stats engine for reliable results, personalization, and AI predictive audiences, and feature experimentation, which is aimed at developers with SDKs in 10 languages, advanced audience targeting, and fast cache data files. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. See you in next time.